In a world brimming with possibilities and teeming with questions, one entity has emerged as the ultimate sage of knowledge, a digital oracle known as ChatGPT. With its boundless intelligence and insatiable hunger for information, ChatGPT stands ready to unravel the mysteries of personal finance and guide you through the entanglement information of financial management. Brace yourself, for within the depths of this artificial mind lies a treasure trove of wisdom, a collection of life hacks and secrets meticulously curated to empower you on your quest for financial mastery. So, adventurer of the modern age, prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey as ChatGPT unveils the secrets that will reshape the way you handle your finances, igniting a spark of brilliance within you. Let the adventure begin. Hello and welcome to today's video as we embark on a captivating video of the capabilities of ChatGPT to intertwine with your insatiable curiosity. Prepare to immerse yourself in a world where practical tips, invaluable strategies, and life-changing hacks converge, all at the fingertips of an AI-powered ally. 1. Create a budget. Picture yourself armed with a mighty weapon, the almighty budget. Establishing a budget is fundamental for financial management. This powerful tool will be your guiding light, illuminating the path to financial success. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a clear understanding of your financial situation. With a budget in hand, you will rise above the chaos, transforming your income and expenses into a symphony of financial harmony. Allocate funds for essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries, and set aside a portion for savings and discretionary spending. Watch as you allocate your hard-earned money with surgical precision, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose, every expense is justified, and every financial goal is within reach. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. 2. Track your expenses. You possess the remarkable ability to track your expenses, turning them from mere numbers on a page into powerful insights that hold the key to your financial prowess. Keeping track of your expenses is vital to gain insight into your spending habits. With your eagle eyes and meticulous record keeping, you'll uncover patterns and behaviors that were once hidden in the shadows. Utilize budgeting apps or simply maintain a spreadsheet to categorize and monitor your expenses. This practice helps identify areas where you can cut back, make more informed financial decisions, rein in unnecessary spending, and conquer your financial demons. 3. Build an emergency fund. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you can weather any storm, triumphing over unexpected expenses and financial curveballs. An emergency fund acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small by setting aside a portion of your income each month and gradually increase your savings over time. With every dollar you save, you fortify your financial castle, forging a shield that protects you from the uncertainties of life. 4. Prioritize saving. Sailing on the seas of financial success, you hoist your sails high and make saving a sacred ritual. Cultivate a savings mindset early on. Allocate a specific percentage of your income towards savings, aiming for at least 20%. The winds of discipline carry you towards your dreams, as you deposit a portion of your income into the hallowed halls of your savings account. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. Through the magic of automation, you effortlessly build your wealth, watching as your savings multiply and grow with each passing day. This ensures consistent savings without relying on willpower alone. You're no longer at the mercy of whimsical desires or impulsive spending. Instead, you are the captain of your financial ship, steering it towards the shores of prosperity. 5. Minimize debt. Avoid unnecessary debt and strive to pay off any existing debts as soon as possible. Prioritize high-interest debts like credit card debt and student loans. Make payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Consider debt consolidation or refinancing options to streamline and potentially reduce interest rates. 6. Establish financial goals. Set short-term and long-term financial goals to stay motivated and focused. Define specific goals like saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or building an investment portfolio. Break down these goals into actionable steps and monitor your progress regularly. 7. Educate yourself about personal finance. This is only the beginning of your financial adventure. Your mind teems with knowledge as you dive into the depths of financial literacy. You devour books, devour podcasts, and devour blogs, absorbing the wisdom of financial sages who have gone before you. Armed with this knowledge, you shatter the chains of financial ignorance, empowering yourself to make informed decisions that propel you toward your financial goals. Financial literacy is key to making informed decisions. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs or podcasts, and take online courses to enhance your understanding of personal finance topics. This knowledge equips you with the skills to manage your money effectively. 8. Be mindful of your credit score. As you traverse the treacherous terrain of personal finance, you recognize the immense power of your credit score, a beacon that guides lenders and opens doors to opportunities. With vigilance and care, you guard your credit score, ensuring that it shines like a diamond, unlocking access to favorable interest rates and financial freedom. Your credit score plays a significant role in your financial life, influencing loan approvals, interest rates, and even rental applications. Monitor your credit report regularly to ensure its accuracy. Pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, and avoid opening unnecessary lines of credit to maintain a good credit score. 9. Start investing early. Your journey takes a daring turn as you plunge into the world of investments. With the power of compounding interest as your ally, you boldly diversify your portfolio, watching as your investments grow and flourish. Stocks, bonds, real estate, these become the brushstrokes of your financial masterpiece, creating a vibrant tapestry of wealth and abundance. Investing early allows you to benefit from compound interest over time. Consider opening a retirement account, such as an individual retirement account, IRA, or a workplace 401k, if available. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions, as they provide an instant return on your investment. 10. Diversify your investments. When investing, diversification is crucial to manage risk. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket by diversifying your investment portfolio. Allocate your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. 11. Automate bill payments. Late payment fees can accumulate and harm your finances. Set up automatic bill payments to ensure you pay your bills on time. Automating payments also reduces the risk of forgetting or missing deadlines, contributing to better financial management. 12. Shop smart and compare prices. Before making a purchase, compare prices online or at different stores to ensure you're getting the best deal. Utilize coupon websites, cashback apps, and loyalty programs to maximize savings. Avoid impulsive buying and consider whether a purchase aligns with your needs and budget. 13. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive. Opting to cook at home not only saves money but also allows you to have better control over your diet and nutrition. Plan meals, create a shopping list, and prepare meals in bulk to save time and reduce the temptation to order takeout. 14. Take advantage of student discounts. As a student, you often qualify for various discounts on products and services. Always carry your student ID and inquire about available discounts when making purchases. Take advantage of these opportunities to save money on essentials like textbooks, software, and transportation. 15. Save on transportation costs. Transportation expenses can add up quickly. Consider alternatives to owning a car, such as using public transportation, carpooling, or cycling. If you do need a vehicle, choose a fuel-efficient model and compare insurance rates to get the best deal. 16. Avoid unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and eliminate those you no longer use or need. Streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions are common culprits. Prioritize subscriptions that add significant value to your life and cancel the rest. 17. Negotiate bills and contracts. Don't be afraid to negotiate bills and contracts to potentially get better rates or discounts. Contact your service providers, such as internet or cable providers, and inquire about available promotions or loyalty discounts. Loyalty doesn't hurt to ask, and the savings can be substantial. 18. Take advantage of free or low-cost entertainment. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options rather than relying solely on expensive activities. Visit local parks, attend community events, explore museums on free admission days, or host game nights with friends. Being creative with entertainment can significantly reduce expenses. 19. Network and seek mentorship. Surround yourself with individuals who have strong financial knowledge. You find solace in the knowledge that your financial journey is not a solitary one. You surround yourself with a tribe of like-minded individuals, forging alliances with mentors who have walked the path before you. Attend networking events, join online communities, and seek mentors who can provide guidance and support in your financial journey. They become your guides, your confidants, and your source of inspiration, propelling you forward on your journey to financial greatness. Learn from their experiences and seek advice when needed. 20. Practice self-care and mindfulness. Taking care of your mental and physical well-being indirectly affects your finances. Prioritize self-care activities that promote mental health, such as exercise, meditation, and quality sleep. Cultivating mindfulness helps you make intentional decisions, avoid impulsive spending, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. How was that? Did that really blow up your mind on the wonderful and magnificent power of ChatGPT Open.ai? It's truly amazing how one can learn from a simple AI tool available on our devices in this time we are in, anytime and anywhere. ChatGPT provides a variety of information on anything you need to know. Just keep in mind that this Open.ai has information up to 2021. So it's not possible to know the current financial information using. Hopefully, with time it does provide more current information on things. So, seize this moment and embrace the amazing opportunities that AI comes with to learn and explore so much. Embrace the power within you to sculpt a financial future that knows no bounds. Take hold of these life-changing hacks and let them propel you towards a destiny filled with abundance, security, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. The journey awaits you.